Hello guys, so let's try this sample problem. I hope you can still recall all of the discussion we had. Now let's apply this one. Okay, ma-overwhelm. Dahan-dahan natin tong sasagutin. Then, do not forget the general rules. Sa locant, dapat lowest number yung near functional group at yung substituent. Sa alcohol, yung OH is always 1. Tapos alphabetical order, tapos ano pa ba yung mga general, yung parent name, identify yung parent name, ganun. Okay. So first, in number 1, we already see na merong alkene. So therefore, ano nga yung sabi sa rule doon? Pag merong other functional groups, automatic, itong part ni ether, magiging substituent na lang siya. So magiging magiging oxy siya, alkoxy. Now, nadulas ako. Okay, so here, dalawa yung carbon, right? That is ethyl. So, pag substituent siya as ether, siya ay etoxy. We'll name it as etoxy. Okay, etoxy. Now, here, meron tayong simply methyl lang. Meron tayong methyl. Now, we will know, saan ba sila naka-position. Okay? Dito, simple lang siya kasi nasa dulo yung alkene natin. Alkene, nasa dulo. Therefore, nandito yung 1. 1, 2. Aside from that, kung dito tayo, 1, 2, 3, ang layo na ng first substituent, right? Sobrang layo. So, as much as possible, konti lang dapat yung number ng mga substituent and functional group. So, dito yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this is, again, parent, meron tayong hexene. Okay? Now, paano siya i-name? First, we will priority yung alphabetical. Si E over M. Ang parent natin, guys, kay hexene, ha? Hexene. E o M. So, mas una si E. So, aha nga ba na located si E? Aha siya located. Aha siya dari sa 4. Therefore, 4, etoxy, then 2 methyl. Final na ba na? Methyl hexene? No. Kasi, in hexene, we need to identify the locant ng first carbon. And that would be, carbon 1. No? So, 1 hexene. So, ano ang name sa first? Second. Dito. First, nakita mo na ether siya, no? E napansin mo, wala namang other functional group na naka-attach. So, i-apply mo yung una kong tinuro. You will hati them. Then, identify mo yung shorter and longer. Pag shorter, magiging oxy siya. Pag longer, magiging parent siya. Dito, masyadong halata, no? Masyado siyang halata. So, meron 1. Ito, carbon yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, that would be hexane. Right? Hexane siya. Ang sabi, ang longer, kay magiging parent alkane name. Itong shorter, ano siya? Meron tayong 1, 2, 3. So, again, pag ganyan yung forma niya, that would be isopropyl. Kasi nakaganto siya, oh. Right? Then, nandito tayo yung, ganyan. Okay. So, that is isopropoxy. Need pa ba ng locant? Need pa ba yan? No longer. Kasi same naman sila kay attached dito sa 1, 1. Okay? So, no need na. Isopropoxy. Oh my gosh, kasya ba? Okay. Isopropoxy hexane. Hexane, I mean. Sorry guys, i-times 2 nyo na lang ako. Hexane. Okay, here. Now, meron na naman tayong other functional group. Okay, napansin mo. First, kunyari sa quiz, observe mo saan muna si ether. R, O, R. Diba? Meron tayong ether. Pero may napansin ka muna, dapat titignan mo lahat. Napansin mo merong alcohol. Therefore, ang sabi nga sa rule, kapag may alcohol, automatic, ang part ni ether, magiging substituent na lang siya. So, itong part na to guys, ito. Yan, substituent na lang siya. Again, pag substituent siya, mag-hold siya ng name na oxy. Okay? Yun yung niya, parang palatandaan na under siya sa ether. So, since dalawa yung carbon dyan, meron tayong ethoxy, right? Ethoxy. Now, here, dalawang carbon din yung parent natin. Dalawang carbon. So, meron tayong ethane, pero meron tayong alcohol. That is why itong ethane magiging ethanol. Okay? Ethanol. Now, how to name them? Diba sabi ko, pag alcohol, automatic, number 1 yung directly attached kay alcohol. So, 1, 2. So, ang pag-name na natin dyan, erase ko muna to. Ang pag-name na natin dyan would be 2-ethoxy, 1-ethanol. Ethanol. Di ba yung paso? Okay, I hope medyo kaya-kaya pa. Gets? Now here. So, at first, wala may functional group. Okay lang yan. But we have bromine here. We have bromine, no? So, ang mangyayari, we will, ito siya, hatiin natin, and ito as well. Hatiin natin yan. So, identify muna natin each. Meron tayong isopropoxy here. Kasi siya yung shortest, diba? Isopropoxy. Right? Then, may naka-attach nga lang. Kasi kung walang naka-attach, ang name nito would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isopropoxy hexane. Same here, right? Same here. Kaso nga, may naka-attach na BR. So, how to handle that? Ang mangyayari, diba alphabetical? Mas una si B. So, nasa kanya siya yung ga-hold ng 1. And, functional group din siya actually, guys. Bromo, yung halite. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, ang name natin would be 1-bromo, 6-isopropoxy. Then, ang parent na hexane. So, yan yung name niya. I know, medyo libog siya, no? So, kinsa i-prioritize na locant. Kaya mag-try tayo ng more example. Now, here, familiar, guys. Familiar. ROR, Japanese siya. And you observe na same lang. Same ramani sila. So, how to name? Very simple. All you need to do is identify them and add the word ether. So, again, naka-T-form yan sila. G-curve lang. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So, that is third butyl. Ang sabi sa same, pag symmetrical, naka-need magbutang og die. Agora ka mag-third. So, butyl. Pahangit naman. Butyl. Then, space, ether. Okay. Third butyl, space, ether. If you are confused, you may go back to my video, guys. Now, here, meron tayong another example. Dito. Meron bang other functional group? Wala. No? So, dito natin maa-apply yung hahatian and hahatian. Shortest, magiging oxy. The longest, magiging parent alkane group. So, this would be methoxy. Kasi shortest siya eh. Siya yung short. Siya yung shorten. Ang longest daw, magiging parent alkane. So this is carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Okay? Meron tayong 5. So, ang name ng parent daw kay pentane. Pentane. Now, need pa ba ng locan? Yes. Why? Kasi nga, naka-attach yung methoxy natin, hindi dito. Naka-attach siya sa secondary. 1, 2. So, bakit ko gi-decide na yan yung 2 na locan? Kasi nga, ang sabi ko, balik-balik. Sorry guys. Okay, ang sabi ko, 1, 2. Dapat mas near yung substituent natin. Kasi kung dito tayo magsisimula, 1, 2, 3. Ang layo na. Dapat malapit lang. Okay, so the name would be 2-methoxy. Then yung parent niya. Methoxy pentane. Okay, next. Here. Meron tayong dalawang functional group. OH and, i-blue natin yan. Alcohol and ether. So again, kapag dalawa na, automatic substituent na lang daw si ether. So, identify mo lang siya, ito na part, that is methoxy. Methoxy. Then, itong parent natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is cyclohexanol. Hexanol kasi may OH. Cyclohexanol. Hindi siya mabasa. Basta cyclohexanol. Then, how to decide sa locant? Di ba ang sabi, pag alcohol, automatic 1 siya. 1, 2. So, therefore, yung methoxy, na siya sa 2. And remember guys na sa cyclo, pag mga naka-cyclic siya, you don't need to put 1 pang alcohol. Kaya understandable na na siya sa 1. So the name would be 2 methoxy cyclohexanol. Okay, yan yung name niya. 2-methoxy cyclohexanol. Isa ko na kasi all. Again, rule yan under sa alcohol na naming. Sige lang. My gosh, narinig kaya ako? Sige lang. I'll try. Sana matunggan ko. Di na ako ganahan mag-outro. Screenshot ko na lang. Okay. Wait lang guys. Hindi pala nakasaksak yung earphones ko. Wired earphones. Okay, here. Meron tayo mga substituent. Ito yung parent. Halata na eh. Meron tayong mga substituent na tatlong mga oxy-oxy. So, meron tayong tatlong methoxy. Then, isang benzene. So, all you need to do is, since tatlo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pwede din 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Same lang siya. 3, 4, 5. So, we will have a 1, 3, 5, tri, methoxy, benzene. Okay, yan yung name. Now here, so number 9. Okay. Now, wala nang other sagabal, wala nang other functional group. So, hatiin mo lang to. Then, identify. Ito, 1, 2, 3. That would be isopropoxy. Siya yung shortest? Yes, siya yung shortest. Kasi 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito. Naubuang. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Same lang. Same lang sila. Yeah, same lang. So, ito, methyl pala to. Methyl. Sorry. So, this is methyl. So, here we have the shortest, the isopropoxy. Then, again, since meron nang ga-evolve na, meron ng substituent yung parent natin. Need na natin ng locant, no? So, Here, ito yung carbon 1 natin, 2, 3. So, 2-methyl, methyl, and 1 isopropoxy, isopropoxy propane. So, propoxy. Ay, joke. Alphabetical. Sorry guys, my faults. Okay. So, okay, 1 isopropoxy, proxy, 2 methyl. Nalimutan ko mag-alphabetical, kaya guys, huwag niyo kalimutan. Propane. Okay, ayan. Lang. For the screenshot purposes. Now, I will leave you this number 10. Ayun na ni si 11. Kaya, ano yan, amin yan. I will provide na lang din. 11, 12 guys, try nyo. Amin, that would be, lang, let's try, ilang card. Ito, cut na siya. Kasi amin yan. 1, 2, 3. Dahil tayo. Cut. So, meron tayong 3 natin. 1. Wala. 3 methoxy. Yeah. Kasi ito yung 1. Priority natin. 1, 2, 3. Then, ito is methoxy. Shortest. Methoxy. 3. Methoxy. Toxy. Then, tatlo yung propane yung parent, pero meron tayong functional na amine. So, propamine.